Namaskar and welcome to Sunset TV. I am Rajiv Kumar Singh and you are watching House Highlights. The program encapsulates the day's proceedings of both the Houses of Parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Before we move into the details of the proceedings on the last day of the winter session, let us take a quick look at the headlines. Winter session of Parliament concludes. Proceedings of both Houses of Parliament adjourn sine die. Productivity of the Lok Sabha stands at 111% during the session. Rajya Sabha productivity recorded at 121%. Both houses witness high productivity during the winter session. 10 bills introduced in the Lok Sabha. The lower house passes 8 bills. 8 bills pass and returned by the Rajya Sabha. And discussions held in both houses on the completion of 150 years of the national song. Extensive debates held in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha on electoral reforms during the winter session. Let us now move on to the highlights of the 15th and the final sitting of the winter session in the Lok Sabha. The lower house met for the 15th sitting at the conclusion of the 6th session of the 18th Lok Sabha. The Speaker informed the members that the productivity of the House was 111% during the session. The 15th sitting of the Lok Sabha held during the session lasted for 92 hours 25 minutes. The 10 government bills were introduced during the session and 8 bills were passed. The bills passed during the session in the Lok Sabha included the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Second Amendment Bill 2025, the Central Excise Amendment Bill 2025, the Health Security, National Security Cess Bill 2025, the Appropriation Number 4 Bill 2025, the Repealing and Amending Bill 2025, the Sabka Bima, Sabki Raksha Amendment of Insurance Laws Bill 2025, the Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Bill 2025, and the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VV G Ramji Viksit Bharat G Ramji Bill 2025. Discussion on Vande Mataram lasted for 11 hours and 32 minutes and 65 members participated in the discussion in the Lok Sabha. The House also discussed electoral reforms for 13 hours and 63 members participated in the discussion. 408 matters of urgent public importance were raised during the session. The Lok Sabha was adjourned sine die after the tune of Vande Mataram was played in the House.
माननीय सदस्यगण, अब हम 18वीं लोकसभा के छठे सत्र की समाप्ति की ओर आ गए हैं। इस सत्र में हमने 15 बैठकें की। आप सभी के सहयोग से इस सत्र में सभा की उत्पादकता 111% रही। सभी माननीय सदस्यों ने देर रात्रि तक बैठकर सदन चलाने में सहयोग किया। इसके लिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद देता हूं। माननीय सदस्य, अब हम वंदे मातरम की धुन पर अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। सभा की कार्रवाई अनिश्चित काल के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Let us now take a look at the key highlights from the 15th day of the winter session in the Rajya Sabha. At the commencement of the Rajya Sabha on Friday, Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan instructed for the necessary legislative papers to be tabled in the House.
To be laid on the table, Shriman Rao Indrajit Singh ji.
Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1B in today's revised list of business.
Srimati Anupriya Patel ji.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 1F in the revised list of business for today.
Sriram Nath Thakur ji. Shriman Ram Nath Thakur ji.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में क्रम संख्या 1 राव पर अपने नाम के समक्ष दर्ज पत्र को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल जी।
Statement. I already said, sir. I already laid.
Dr. Chandrasekhar Premasani ji.
Sir, I lay on the table of the House the documents mentioned against my name at serial number 1G in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
श्रीमान B.L. वर्मा जी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 1H पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान शांतनु ठाकुर जी।
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name, serial number 1I, in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमान कमलेश पासवान जी।
I hereby lay on the table of the House the document mentioned against my name under item number 1K of the papers to be laid on the table of today's sitting.
श्री रवनीत सिंह जी।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1L in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
श्रीमान राजभूषण सवत्री जी।
आदरणीय महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यव्यवहार की सूची में क्रम संख्या 1 के ड में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्रीमान भूपति राजू श्रीनिवास वर्मा जी।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper pertaining to Ministry of Heavy Industries mentioned against my name at serial number 1N in the revised list of business for today, the 19th December 2025.
श्रीमान पवित्र मार्गरेटा जी।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House paper mentioned against my name at serial number 10 as per today's list of business.
In addition, the report of the Public Accounts Committee was laid in the House relating to the Ministry of Railways, the Ministry of External Affairs and the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. Several ministerial statements were also presented, providing information on the implementation of recommendations made by parliamentary committees concerning various ministries. These included the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries and the Ministry of Textiles. The chairman informed the House that the 269th session was coming to an end. He applauded the members for their understanding and cooperation. Before adjourning the House, he noted that the session had been very useful and that members had extended strong support in completing important legislative work.
we have come to the conclusion of the 269th session of Rajya Sabha. I once again thank all of you for electing me as the Vice President of India and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The session which ended today was very productive one. I hope that in the coming sessions also we will have more fruitful debates. As we bring the proceedings of this session to a close, I wish to share some reflections on the work done by the August House in this winter session. The 269th session of the Rajya Sabha holds special significance for me as I chaired the Rajya Sabha for the first time after assuming the office. I once again express my profound appreciation and gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shriman Narendra Modi ji, Ministers, Leader of the House, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, and the Leader of the Opposition, Shri Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, and all members who offered their felicitations to me. The warmth and the affection in your felicitations proved a source of great encouragement for me as I sat down discharging my constitutional responsibility as the chairman of this August House. Honourable members, in my first address to the August House, I had sought your cooperation for the smooth functioning of the House. I have urged you all to use every parliamentary device such as questions, special mentions, 0-hour submissions and others with sincerity. I am very happy that honourable members cooperated with the chair to complete a significant amount of business during this winter session. I am pleased to mention that the House gave its consent to sit late or skip lunch recess on 5 days to transact the business. The 269th session was distinguished by some remarkable achievements. The session witnessed an unprecedented number of 0-hour notices with an average of over 84 notices issued per day, nearly a 31% increase as compared to the preceding two sessions. Further, the number of matters actually raised during 0 hours significantly surpassed the previous benchmarks, averaging more than 15 matters per day, nearly a 50% increase as compared to the preceding two sessions. We must keep up this good work, keeping in mind that the people of this great nation look up to us as custodians of democracy. Honourable members, you have all positively responded to my call to spend every day, every hour, every minute, every second of our time in the House to strengthen our democracy by meaningful debates and discussions. This session was marked by high-quality debates and discussions on the issues of historical and democratic significance. This House held a special commemorative discussion on the 150th anniversary of the national song Vande Mataram. The discussion spanned over 2 days with an impressive number of 82 members participating. The House also took up a discussion on the election reforms. 57 members shared their valuable insights on strengthening our democratic process over a period of 3 days. Honourable members, this House also transacted important financial and legislative business during this session, engaging in constructive debates and active participation on several key bills. The House passed returned 8 bills and adopted a statutory resolution regarding the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act 2024, which saw overall participation of 212 members. Honourable members, the vibrancy of our parliamentary democracy is often best reflected during the transaction of the private members' business in the House. I am happy to note the enthusiasm shown by the members in this regard. A remarkable number of as many as 59 private members' bills were introduced during this session. In this discussion on one each private member's bill and resolution, 22 members participated. Overall, this House functioned for a total of about 92 hours. The productivity of the session stood at 121%. I had occasion to give a comprehensive ruling clarifying the contours and scope of Rule 267. In this session, we had the opportunity to raise 58 starred questions, 2080 our submissions and 87 special mentions. I extend my appreciation to the Honorable Deputy Chairman and the members on the panel of Vice Chairpersons for assisting me in conducting the proceedings of the House. I acknowledge the untiring efforts of the Secretary General and his team of dedicated officers and staff to ensure that the session runs smoothly. I also thank print and electronic media for covering the proceedings of the House and keep the public informed. Disturbance created during yesterday's sitting by opposition members by shouting slogans, displaying placards, disturbing the minister replying to the discussion, tearing up papers and throwing them in the well of the House, showed conduct unbecoming of members of parliament. I earnestly hope that the honourable members would introspect and not repeat such unruly behavior in the future. Honourable members, we approach the festive season and the turn of the year. I extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to all the honourable members and their families for Christmas and the New Year 2026. I also extend my greetings for the upcoming harvest festivals of Lohri, Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Mag Bihu, Baus Parbo, Kale Gawa, Sugi Hapa, and Mahasaji, Uttarayan, Sakrat, Mahamela, and Bedda Banduga, and other festivals during the coming days. Nandri, Vanakam, don't shout. Jai Hind, long live Mother Bharat.
The 269th session of the Rajya Sabha concluded with it getting adjourned sine die. In his closing remarks, the chairman observed that the session had been meaningful and productive.
Jai Hind, long live Mother Bharat. Now the national song. The House adjourned sine die.
That is all we have in the last episode of House Highlights for the winter session of Parliament. We will meet again with this program at the start of the budget session. Meanwhile, keep watching Sunset TV for all the latest from Parliament. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
संसद टीवी के और भी प्रोग्राम्स देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा YouTube चैनल और हाँ, इन्हें लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।